PUBG Mobile's first exclusive map, Livik, has finally been released. There are a lot of new features unique to this map, from the diverse terrain, small 2x2 size, 52 players limit, 15 minutes match, and more. While this map has only been released for less than a day, people have already picked out some of the most advantageous locations to land on. In this guide, we would list out the top 5 best spots for landing on this island. Let's begin our journey of Livik. Number 1 is a storage factory, Old Hus, just as big of an area as Midstein. However, the location is split in two with a road. Be careful when crossing it as there are no covers. If you want high tier loot, this is might be the best place for your squad. This place has lot of buildings and also a big ship that's contain highest amount of loot in Livik.
I need a weapon.
Second place is Hot Spring, a pretty straightforward location. All the loots are on the floors of the structures in the area without any walls between them. You can just run through and loot everything in record speed. The lack of walls, however, exposes you to gunfire from other people who are trying to land onto the area. Prepare for a fight as soon as you land. Our third pick is Midstein. With the maps being small, might as well land on the biggest town possible on the map. Midstein is filled with buildings and loot, with compounds upon compounds next to each other. After clearing out one, you could easily dash for the next. Just be careful about ambushes, as people often hide on the second floor of buildings. The best comparison for this town is probably Pochinki from Erangel. Number 4 is Power Plant. The power plant on Livik. This is the location in which high tier gears would often spawn on this map. If you want to get your hand on a level 3 armor and good ARs right away, this spot also has the good potential. However, due to the fact that most of the loots are inside one big building, you might have to fight for them. After clearing out the location, you can get away with the vehicles spawned outside. Let's see our final pick, which is Aqueduct. Some people consider the Aqueduct a small, secret area that is actually filled with loot. If you manage to land here first, a great start is pretty much guaranteed. Just be careful about other people who might come after you from the top of the hole, as they would have the vantage point to shoot. I hope it's helped you to make your decision where to land. If you like this vid, you can hit the like, and also you can help your friends by just sharing this vid with them, and don't forget to give your opinion in the comments. And I'll see you in the very next one. Be safe, and as always, happy gaming.